is Katie Blackburn, and my Wild Book Day book for 2026 is called The Big Bang. If you enjoy that story, here are a few others I love. There's a tiger on the train, all about a little boy journeying to the seaside with his daddy. And Dad is stuck in his phone, so he misses the enormous tiger sitting next to them. Another super story is Macavity. It's about a mischievous cat who gets into all sorts of trouble and gets away with it. I love this story too. It's about a little boy with one leg. All of the friends in the playground ask him, why have you only got one leg? But he doesn't want to answer that question. It's boring. He wants to play. Find out what happens. We've also got The Coming of the Iron Man, an enormous robot-like giant who suddenly appears on a hillside and meets a little boy called Hogarth. What happens when the Iron Giant won't stop eating? And the last book is a book that I wrote, Where the Wild Mums Are. It's one for sharing with your mum and when she needs a break and some peace and quiet.